Hi guys, Frugal Gal here. I was recently contacted via email by Beebeecraft. They are a company that produces craft making supplies and jewelry making supplies. And they have a website, and it is beebeecraft.com. And I will put that website right here. They also have a YouTube channel where they do tutorial videos and show off their products. So I will also put that here, and it will be down in the description of this video. So they contacted me, and this video is sponsored by them. They had me pick out 3 products. They sent them to me, and I'm going to review them. But this video is an unboxing. And the next 2 videos that I do for them will be doing a tutorial and making some jewelry. That should be fun. So I got 3 items. 2 items that I got were kits to make. One was to make bracelets, and one was to make earrings. This is the earring one. See Beebeecraft, and there's their little emblem of bee. So it comes in these little Ziploc bags, and they were wrapped in bubble wrap. And this is the kit. It comes in this cute little plastic container with 8 separated little pocket things. And then inside they have little Ziploc bags. There's some chains and the hooks for the earrings. This is a druzy kit. They also send you with the kit a nice piece of paper that has instructions on how to make these earrings and different designs you could come up with if you don't come up with them on your own. And so it's really neat. And this kit came with some pliers. So that's really neat. So that's my first kit, and I like these boxes because they shut like that and then reusable. Great for beads. This is my second kit. This is for bracelets because I wanted to make some bracelets. And it also comes with a piece of paper with instructions on it. And it gives you the completed project of the bracelets. Aren't those pretty? They're toggle clasp bracelets. And then instructions numbered out for you, step by step. Another little box. This one has 5 compartments in the top and 5 at the bottom. And it has everything you'll need to make your bracelets. So it comes with beads and oh sorry, it's taped. I got the tape off. It comes with the beads, the toggle clasp. I mean everything you need. Well, they got this secured very well. Okay. Oh, there we go. See, comes with everything. I don't want to dump it out. See. Nice beads. Ooh, I like these. I like these green ones. Alright. And the spacers and everything. So that's that. And then I ordered a toolkit. A nice toolkit. Let's open this up. I have a toolkit, but I wanted another one. And this one comes in a nice pouch. A zipper pouch. You open it up, and there you go. You've got a lot of things in here. Ooh, you even got a thing to make a ring. Look at all the pliers you got. You got wire. You got snippers. Ooh, a lot of things. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tools, and then a couple needles even to do some beading if you wanted to do some bead sewing. So that's it. That's the unboxing, and then I will have a couple tutorial videos where I make a bracelet and a pair of earrings. Remember, it's beebeecraft.com and Beebeecraft right here on YouTube. Look down in the description of this video, and I'll put it on the screen right here where you can find those videos on YouTube and their website. Check them out. Thanks, guys. Thumbs up. Bye.